Hello everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Are you learning English and sometimes feel like you remaking the same mistakes over and over again? Don't worry, you are not alone. Today, we're going to talk about 3 super common mistakes English learners make in conversations, and more importantly, how to fix them. Getting these right will make you sound so much more natural. Let's get started. First up, let's talk about the difference between borrow and lend. This one trips up a lot of people. Remember, borrow means to take something from someone with the plan to give it back. For example, can I borrow your pen? On the other hand, lend means to give something to someone. So I would say, sure, I can lend you my pen. A simple way to remember is you borrow asterisk from asterisk someone, and you lend asterisk to asterisk someone. Easy, right? Next on our list is the classic mix-up between I am agree and I agree. This is a really common one. In English, agree is a verb, so you don't need the verb to be before it. Instead of saying I am agree with you, the correct and natural way to say it is simply I agree with you. It's shorter, cleaner, and instantly makes your English sound more advanced. So, next time you share the same opinion, just say I agree. Our third and final point is about using very with adjectives. We often learn to say things like very good, very big, or very tired. While this is grammatically correct, native speakers often use stronger, more descriptive words. Instead of very good, you could say excellent, fantastic, or amazing. Instead of very big, try huge, enormous, or gigantic. And if you're very tired, you might be exhausted. Using these powerful adjectives will make your vocabulary richer and your conversations more engaging. It shows a higher level of fluency. So, to recap, remember to borrow asterisk from asterisk someone and lend asterisk someone. Say, I agree, not I am agree, and try swapping very plus an adjective for a stronger, more descriptive word. Practice these 3 simple tips, and you'll notice a huge improvement in your conversational English. That's all for today. I hope you found this helpful. If you did, please give this video a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button for more English learning tips. Let me know in the comments which mistake you used to make. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye for now.